Choosing the wrong window treatments is an expensive mistake you'll see every single morning. In the North Jersey market, a national brand meets a boutique specialist, budget blinds versus made in the shade North Jersey. Choosing window treatments is more than a purchase. It's a design and lifestyle decision. Today, we'll compare two prominent options, the national brand budget blinds and the locally owned made in the shade North Jersey, to help you find the best fit. Budget Blinds stands as a leading national brand, boasting nearly 1,500 franchise territories across North America and serving over 10,000 cities. They offer a comprehensive range of window treatments, including wood, faux wood, and motorized blinds, alongside various shades like roller, cellular, and Roman styles. Operating as a franchise system, Budget Blinds provides local service backed by the extensive resources of a large national company, offering free in-home or virtual consultations. Many customers praise their professional staff, fair pricing, and seamless installation, often highlighting their no questions asked warranty for 5 years. However, despite the name, some find budget blinds can be expensive, with quotes for multiple windows sometimes reaching several $1,000s. In contrast, Made in the Shade North Jersey is a locally owned and operated franchise, serving Passaic, Morris, and Bergen counties with a personalized, community-focused approach. They bring the showroom directly to your home, allowing you to view samples of blinds, shades, and shutters in your own space, ensuring a perfect match for your decor. Made in the Shade North Jersey offers a wide selection of quality, name-brand window coverings from trusted manufacturers like Norman, Hunter Douglas, Ulta, Graber, and Horizons, all backed by limited lifetime warranties for long-term peace of mind. As a local business, they emphasize neighborly service and a personal touch, with reviews often highlighting their professionalism, caring nature, and responsiveness. Both companies offer a vast array of custom window treatments, though Budget Blinds' national scale might provide a slightly broader inventory. Although consultations are complementary, Made in the Shade North Jersey focuses on premium offerings designed for homeowners who value quality and refinement. The core difference often lies in the service experience. Budget Blinds offers a streamlined, corporate-backed approach. Made in the Shade North Jersey, however, emphasizes a more personalized, one-on-one approach, bringing the showroom to your home for a highly customized design process. This local expertise and dedicated one-on-one care allow for superior design customization, ensuring every decision suits your home's unique lighting and decor. The ability to personally guide you through material selections in your home environment offers a distinct advantage for a truly tailored experience. For North Jersey homeowners, both options are viable, but your choice depends on what you prioritize. If personalized service, local expertise, and a truly customized design experience are paramount, Made in the Shade North Jersey's neighborly approach is a compelling choice. Made in the Shade North Jersey is best for North Jersey homeowners who want that boutique, designer look without compromise, those who value personal service, exacting measurement and installation, and the peace of mind that comes from working with a local specialist who stands by their work. Ready to experience the Made in the Shade difference? Start your transformation today with Made in the Shade North Jersey.